How to fix can't open camera, check your phone. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, scroll down the notification panel. Again scroll down. Now swipe to the right. Now make sure to enable camera access. If it's disabled, simply tap on it. Now go back. Now open up settings on a device. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. Tap on system and updates. Now go to software update and update to the latest version. After updating, go back. Now click on apps. Tap on app management. Now tap on three dots. Now click on source system. Now tap on the search bar and type camera. Now once you're done, simply tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on camera. Now click on force stop. Tap on force stop and go to storage details. Now tap on clear data. Tap on delete. Now go back. Now go back to the home screen and restart your device. I hope this should fix issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.